Well, go on, man. So, good evening, good evening, good evening. The viewers, subscribers, and members of the Bartender. Of course, it's the world's #1 series. Well, the universe #1 series. So tonight, 8 p.m., sharp and sharp like blade, we're going to be giving you all the behind the scenes series shots, loops, jumps, shots of Ruku versus Quick. The whole of that scene. You're going to be getting the highlights, a whole long reel of it. And of course, tomorrow we'll return to scheduled programming. Alright? Well, go on, man. Behind the scenes.
There we go.
On the scene, you know, you understand?
Not a
Man.
Not a joke.
So we have to go through to get it right.
It's your property? Yeah. Come with me. Come here. Eh? You live here? Yeah, man, don't come for me now. Me not say no. I don't say no. But only comfortable, right?
So, the record? Yeah. Quick coming from the entrance, I walk come down here. So. When Quick reach here, so Quick realize the place here not look right.
Alright, what up place saying? Big man, I have a bad feeling.
Quick process and you're cracking in the bush over there. So you look and say, Ruku, walk come there. So. Hi! Ruku pop off, Ruku fire the first 2 or 3 shots, Quick duck, and move to here, so. Walk up to here. And jump through here, so. And trip and drop. Get up, turn, fire 2 shots, Ruku, run behind the wall here, so. Fire 2 shots. And going this way, we'll cut and show Ruku, run come there, so, and stop, push him gun around and take him time come round. All the Ruku movements with Sister Ruku get proper training time, it look tactical. Fire. We'll cut and we say Tonian a run come down from where I come from. Bubbles coming from around the corner there, so call Tonian, ask her if she fire a shot. She said no.
Tonian. Yes, Boo.
Are you firing shot there?
No, I know me.
Ruku a shoot after Quick.
A Ruku a fire for Quick.
And she check her time coming. She again very cautious, she hide behind the wall and she prick. When Quick run go down there, so Quick realizes a dead end. Quick a try go up on the wall there, so Ruku go some bam. That's the first shot where Quick get. Quick get the shot, Run. Ruku. Run this way. Come round here, sir. Ruku in here, sir. Quick. Then at the corner there, sir. Him raise him hand to shoot him. We can either decide maybe quick fire back a shot and he duck and then you hear a click sound. So you know say it's empty. You raise up back as you about to finish him, one shot. That one shot spin you that way there. You look around this up, you only see a figure go that way there. You fire two, come through here sir, and you're going this way. Shot fire from here, so see it? So when we shoot Tonian, once the Tonian fire 3 shot, only one catch Ruku. Ruku move down this way, through here, so and down here, so Ruku jump down here, so and I'm gonna go this way. Buck up in a savage. Wagwan man.
Wagwan man.
Bam bam. 2 shots. And he drop here, sir. So what we're gonna do, we can't put blood on the clothes. What we're gonna do is put a trail of blood. When you like to leak out from him back, coming this way. Here down here, so Savage goes that way. If you reach on time, Savage goes that way, so nobody must see Savage. Savage go that way there, then we see through here, so whisper and come up. Whisper reach here, so whisper testing. Look, Tonian coming there, so and she stopped with the gun in her hand and she looked down and realized, said, look at them.
Him dead?
As far as she's concerned, she shooting. And she killing. So from there, so she kind of start hyperventilate. Whisper move, Whisper go up there, and I hug her, and she said, I'm dead. And I said, yeah, I'm dead. Then when the move, go back around there, so where Bubbles, a whole quick, and quick a shake, and she asked him, quick, alright? And quick said to her, can't feel.
Quick, just hold on, one ambulance step on the way, just hold on.
Space that. Can't feel my foot.
That's the reason.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. I don't have enough. I don't know, maybe about $5,000, less than 5. No. What happened? Was she at home? I'm in the past set of it. So we're on set. working out the logistics of locations and all of these things. Stefan, how are you?
I'm gonna shoot quick.
Idiot, yeah. Become fool. Alright, yeah, it does.
Mass big thanks. Worry yourself.
Perfect. A little too fast. Perfect. Yeah, no. But one thing there, just say it and put a smile on your face. And cut your face like you're shutting eye away. Rolling. Action.
Worry yourself. Full quick.
Good. Quick connects. Rolling. Action. This is where over here. Action. Good. Come go. Get back some more. Action. Good. Turn. Turn. Back two. Action. That is it.